Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a zone color fill legend. First, double-click on one space and zone view, and then type VG and turn off reference line under HVAC zones, and click OK. Then, under Analyze tab, select Color Fill Legend. Now, click Edit Type and put a mark on Show Title, or tick the box, and click OK. And then place the legend on the right side of the drawing. On the space type, select HVAC zones and click OK. Now double-click on Scheme 1 legend and then click Edit Scheme. And rename this to Level 1 HVAC Zone. And click Apply. OK. Now click on Modify and save to close the window. Now we will need to repeat the process for the second floor. Double-click on the second space and zone, and then type VG and turn off the reference lines under HVAC zones, and click OK. Now go to Analyze tab and click Color Fill Legend and click Edit Type and make sure it's tick Show Title, and then place the Color Fill Legend and select HVAC zones and click OK. Now click on Level 1 HVAC zones scheme and click Edit Scheme. On the schemes, duplicate the Scheme 1 and accept the name Schema 2. Now for the Schema 2, rename this to Level 2 HVAC zones. For the colors, we can change the corridor to the gray color, for example. And then we can go to the shaft and change it to the orange. And click OK. And click OK. Now the colors of these two zones became gray and orange respectively. So we can set different colors for the two legends based on our need, or as you like. And here we have finished for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.